Hello everyone. Welcome to Bharat PSU Manthan presented by Velox Media. Today we are here with Mr. Sandeep Kumar Singh, General Manager, Indian Oil. Welcome, sir. It's an honor that you are here with us at this conference. Sir, let's learn from you now. What advice would you give to young professionals aspiring to join PSUs in the digital era?
Well, the title here says Bharat PSU Manthan. So Bharat means public sector, right? It was envisaged decades back, but now I would say if you talk about any industry, say oil and gas, financial institutions, or telecom, so everywhere we are again seeing the prominence of PSUs. They are coming back, and especially if I'm talking about public sector in oil and gas, you see how Indian Oil, ONGC, PPCL, HPCL still maintain the lead in market share as well as refineries and pipelines. So what I would say that if public sector grows, India grows. So that's why still getting into Indian Oil or public sector is still difficult. You have to qualify and to get the top scores, and the attrition rate is very less. So if you talk about any public sector, they give you all type of comforts. They take care of the family, they train you well, and the main difference between I would say private sector and public sector is we take people from all across India. Gate exam is there, so anybody can appear. Whoever is there, got the up to 100 or 300 ranks, he's there into going for the interview and finally selected. This may not be that open. In I would say in a selection of other corporates. So that openness is there, transparency is there. Anybody from anywhere in any state, any district, if he's there, he's qualified gate, he can get into it. And once he get into it, all these public sectors adopt him, his family, everything. What they expect from you in the back is give it back to the nation, what they have given to you. So all the opportunities are there, and government also is supporting PSUs because the policies are also supporting all the PSUs now. If you see like the recent issues of that conflict, here again, Indian PSUs are coming back and forth, or the Indian companies. So we have to go for some sort of manpower or people or youngsters join Indian Oil, not Indian Oil, any public sector, and you will get the best and you give it best. Here, the difference is whatever you are giving to the company is giving to the nation as such. So join public sector and really give back to the country what is given to you.
Well, that's a really informative perspective that you have shared, sir. Sir, thank you so much for joining us. Thanks a lot. Thank you for your time.